This loud ass shit. This shit loud as shit. Like it's loud as fuck. What's good with y'all boys, man? We are back with another video. It is currently 8 o'clock right now. You see that boy Stealth just text me. I'm out here in Jersey, chat. I didn't get to record the road trip on the way here. I made it here last night at 7 o'clock and I fell asleep so early I couldn't even make no vlogs or anything. But so I'm about to go out right now and make some videos, bro. Feel what I'm saying? We gotta get a new lip again. Half of my fucking lip is missing and then the next piece is fine. Yeah, I'm gonna be making a lot of content out here. Stay in tune, man, stay in tune. I got a lot of shit coming for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to tell Sydney to come down here right now. And we about to get into this video, man. Let's get it. I can't find my hat clip, so I'm gonna pull up on that boy Stealth right now and go get a hat. Well, I can't find my hat right now to put the clip on it to do the POVs. So right now I'm about to pull up on that boy Stealth so I could get a hat, man. Oh my days. I had the hat all day yesterday. Now I want the hat and I can't find that shit. The devil is trying, bro. The devil been trying to stop me so much, bro. Just have Sydney hold the camera and get some views for y'all boys while we go get the hat. But yeah, man, let's get it.
Already?
Yo, they're outside.
What the fuck?
Hurry up, man.
Big ass truck.
My Nikki's right here.
Yeah, I remember when we came here. When they, like when we picked your car up, literally.
You said they what?
I remember when we picked your car up from there.
It's not that cold, is it?
No, it's humid.
It's just rainy as fuck.
It doesn't wet.
It sounds too fucking deep.
Is it a school bus?
This?
Yeah.
It is? Oh.
Yeah, look.
Reality. Slow down, like, you see him?
I know.
This can't be a school bus.
Look. So it's all just like one big circle. Not circle, but like everything's like intertwined.
Everything's like close to each other.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Houses are nice and shit too.
Yeah, they are. They're like
Put
kept
the camera on
together.
yourself one time. How you feel, motherfucker?
I just did. Good.
That's where I got my 10 step too.
I also remember that.
crazy today. We ain't gonna pull up busing today, man. Pause.
Can you get up there?
In the driveway?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like, I won't even rub it up. You're thinking out the box, right? I can't show y'all the fitment. I can't show y'all the fitment. That shit clean. Fuck with my boy, chat. That boy shit clean. We just pulled up to that boy's stealth crib. I'm about to get a hat right now. Put your window down. Why you hiding?
I can't even.
I'm about to call him. Huh? Look at this nigga, chat. Nigga went to bed late. If he ain't had to detail, he would have woke up late. Them tires is meaty, boy. Nigga, you probably can't run out of thread in these bitches. God, this shit open, bro. You could take this to the. You could take this shit to the beach and shit. About to be trapping out a Batmobile.
Yo, you a dickhead.
You putting some tints on it too, huh? This shit fast?
Yeah, I don't know. I ain't really did.
Yeah, nigga, them Reaper X Stealth vlogs coming now, nigga.
Yes,
It's
sir.
time. It's time. Bro, don't change that chrome grill, nigga. I can't put your fitment on this joint yet. Bro got the beast in the garage, though. You getting too much money, bro. He rich for real, chat. Fishbowl, man. Yo, that car really tough. That boy got the red stripes. I got spin back for my mans, nigga. Stop playing. What you gotta say to the people, nigga?
It's hot as fuck. That's all I have to say. That's all I can think about.
Oh my god.
Spin it around, yo.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, hold up.
Spin it around.
Spin it around, twirl it. Make it jump.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
This what happens when y'all lower y'all cars. Y'all gotta go out of driveways like this. Don't make the same bad decisions as us, bro. You good, just keep coming, you sure. It's not low, it's just low enough to get it off the ground so you can jack it.
What did you say, nigga?
You good. Yo, why couldn't niggas be in like books or something, bro? If I was in the books, I have way more money in my fucking account, bro. No cap, yo. Like, I have way more bread. Yo, talk them through it, Reaper.
Hell no. I talk him through it. Don't get a fucking lip in the first place.
Good job.
Hey. You think I want to take this shit off?
Sad.
Sad.
Just wait for the next one. Let me get a 360.
What you record? You the cameraman?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. I'll just rock the stock look for now.
Yo, I really hate doing stuff to cars when I'm not.
Put your camera up more.
Up?
Yeah.
Let me see it. I think this is good now. Yeah?
Yeah.
This loud ass shit. This shit loud as shit. Like, it's loud as fuck.
Yeah.
He got burbles too. I want to hear that shit. Yes, sir. What is that right there? I thought it was an M340.
A what?
M340.
They're calling you.
Let me see. You don't hear us?
Are you there? Oh my gosh. Three fire lines, put the hot tip on the tower.
Listen to style shit, listen. Bumbleclad. Outside.
That one's all the way up there.
I thought they said it's supposed to rain out here all day. It don't even look like it's supposed to rain one bit. Rain where? It's hot as fuck. Why you have the glasses on?
Because it's bright.
No, it's not.
It is. I can't sleep.
How you gonna tell me I'm not wearing one?
Yeah, but we have different eyes.